Hi, welcome back to our Task Kitchen. Biscuits are something we all love to munch as an evening time snack. Yes, so today we'll be preparing a bakery style bende biscuit or butter biscuits. As requested from many, today we'll not be using an oven. Instead we'll be using a gas stove and we'll be preparing the biscuits. So let's check out the ingredients and start with the recipe. As we are not using microwave oven, we need to do some prior preparations as how a microwave works. So for this, on a gas stove, I have taken a kadai. Make sure you use an old vessel or a kadai. To this, I'll be adding some salt. This is crystallized salt. The color of the salt is changed because I have reused the salt for 2 to 3 times. Just place a cup in the center of the salt and we'll be inserting a plate onto this. Close the lid and we'll be preheating this for 10 to 15 minutes. For the dough, in a mixing bowl, add half cup of butter. This butter is at room temperature. And start beating this using a beater. After beating for a few minutes, add powdered sugar. I have taken around half cup of sugar. And beat this till the two incorporates nicely. Using a spatula, just give this a mix. Now, to this we'll be adding 1 cup of wheat flour. If you require, you can use maida also. And I'm adding a pinch of baking powder. And start mixing this. To this, add around 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix everything till you get a soft dough. To mold the cookies, just take a ball of the prepared dough and roll this between your palms. Press it very lightly and your cookie is ready. Now the cookies are shaped and these are ready to be baked. Kadai has been preheated. We will be keeping all the cookies on the tray. Just smear little butter on the plate. Now place the cookies one by one, leaving some distance apart. Close the lid and we'll be baking this for 30 to 35 minutes. We'll be opening the lid now to check if the cookies are baked. Notice the cookies are perfectly baked and there is a golden layer at the bottom. We'll be removing it from the plates. Allow this to cool completely. If you're baking the cookies in an oven, preheat the oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes and we'll be baking the cookies at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. These cookies are baked on the gas stove and you can see this is very crisp. And these cookies are baked in the oven. You can notice both the oven cooked and the gas cooked are almost same. Here we have these bakery style benne biscuits or butter biscuits. You can enjoy this with a cup of coffee or tea as an evening snack. Do try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. If you like our videos, do subscribe to our channel Avartha's Kitchen and also hit the bell icon to receive updates on more upcoming videos. Also follow us on our Facebook page, and for more recipes visit our website www.avartha.co.in. Thank you.